Yes, bir. Jurassic.
Running, running, and 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 in this context, there's no disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and lose inhibition, all your intuition, free your innocence, away from